How do I find group discussion threads? I'm currently on the discussions landing page and I will click on this pre-created graded discussion. And if you draw your attention to the top left side of the discussion, there is an icon with the image of two people's heads. This is the group icon. I'm going to click on the group icon. And once I clicked, I have my previously created groups available, the groups that I had previously created within the People tool. And I'm going to click on LTS Group 1, and I am taken immediately to my group homepage within the Canvas course. And here's where I may view this specific group discussion. I may reply directly here as well. I can mark as read, mark as unread. And to navigate to another group, I can click on this caret icon under Select Group and navigate between my groups simply by clicking on the caret. Now to navigate back to the main course, if you draw your attention to the top left side of the screen, next to the hamburger menu, there are breadcrumbs here. I would click on discussions and then click on that group and keep clicking back until I have the option to click on the name of the course. If you have any questions at all, please submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu.